Welcome back everybody. Today what we're going to do on the channel is we're coming back to our blackcurrant mead. What we're going to do is we're going to take a hydrometer reading and we're also going to stop the fermentation process. We'll be doing this by putting it into a clean vessel along with some other bits. So stay tuned for that. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to take our hydrometer reading to work out what our ABV is. So we take our sample, so in the original video, our original gravity was 1.082. So we put that in our calculator, minus our new gravity reading, which is 1.006, which gives us 0.076. We then times that by our magical number, 131.25. 9.97% ABV. Now that we've worked out our ABV, we can stop the fermentation process. We do this by using some wine stabilizer. We'll use 1 teaspoon of this, and Campden tablets. We'll use 1 tablet of this. So what you're going to do is get your 1 Campden tablet, put it in a little jar, and you're just going to crush it with the back of the spoon. Like so. Then you want to get your wine stabilizer, pop the lid on that, and just take a teaspoon and pop it in there with the Campden tablet. The next stage is you want to get your clean vessel. You just pour these into your new vessel. Don't worry, these will dissolve over time. These simply help kill any live yeast that may remain in your liquid. Then what you want to do is get your auto siphon, put your silicone end in your new vessel first, right down to the bottom so you're not causing any oxidization. Put the harder part into your new mead, not all the way to the bottom, because what you want to do is leave the lees at the bottom. So you're looking, have it about halfway, and give it a couple of pumps. And you'll see it flowing through the hard bit, into your silicone bit, and into your new vessel. As you can see, we're not causing any bubbles, it's just a light flow, reducing any oxygen getting from here to here. The whole point of having your primary vessel elevated above your secondary vessel is just to help the gravitational flow. All this is caused by a vacuum, and then from here on out it's more or less to gravity. So it's helping pull this to this. Once you're done, you just lift it from there, and you'll see the air bubbles come through. Now you're on to the last part of this. All you want to do is put a new bung in. Just swirl it around gently. Because again, we're not trying to introduce oxygen, we're just trying to get all that Stabiliser and Campden tablet dissolved. With that being done, you're just going to put in an airlock just to stop anything getting into it, and then you set this aside until it clears. Saved it. Big thank you to everyone who's joined today. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and drop a comment down below. That is the best way to help support the channel. If you've enjoyed this content, please keep supporting. Until next time, cheers.